Welcome to our mock trial. Today we will present the case of manager of the Grandview Hotel failed to address to a guest complaint which caused unnecessary distress and damage to the hotel reputation. We will hear the opening statement.
Courtroom is in session. All rise. Please be seated. We are here today to hear the case of Smith v. Grandview Hotel. The plaintiff, Mrs. Smith, alleges that the defendant, the manager of the Grandview Hotel, failed to address the guest complaint which caused unnecessary distress and damage to the hotel's reputation. We will hear the opening statements. Prosecutor, you may begin.
Your Honor, ladies and gentlemen of the court, today you will hear a case about negligence in the hospitality industry.